Have you ever used aloe vera before? Well, if you're trying to have healthy hair or you want to grow your hair, well, this is a good ingredient to have. And today you're in luck. I am going to share with you 4 ways that you can use aloe vera in your wash day or just on a regular day, or to treat your hair, whatever you want to do with your hair. I'm going to share with you some ways that you can use aloe vera. The thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to blend the aloe vera, and then I'm going to extract the juice, and we'll be using this in 3 of the methods that I'll be sharing. This part of the process is important, so make sure you do not skip straining the mixture, because if you're going to use it as a leave-in spray, you definitely don't want to skip this part because particles will be stuck in your hair. Just look at this. We don't want all of these in our hair. In this method, I'll be using the aloe vera with the conditioner. I'm going to apply the conditioner to the aloe vera. This will let your conditioner last longer because you will use less conditioner. Blend the two together and then apply it to the hair. To make it even more potent, you could add some honey. This will help to soften the hair and allow it to be manageable when detangling. I'll apply it to the hair and then leave it in for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I detangle and rinse it out. The next method is to use it in your ear mask. Here I have an overripe avocado. It is looking this way because it was in the freezer, and also some overripe bananas. They were in the freezer. Whenever time it is pear or avocado season and I have excess, I would store it in the freezer. So when it is that season and I have enough, I store so that when it is not in, I can easily have access to avocado all year round. So I have a drawer in my freezer that I store my overripe fruits that I would use in my ear mask or in my smoothie, whatever I'm doing. So I have my overripe bananas and my avocado. They are very soft, but that is okay. They are like this because they were frozen. I am blending the mixture with the aloe vera juice. I am going to use this to do the ear mask. So I'll put it on the hair, cover it, and allow it to steam for a few minutes. I am straining the mixture and then I will use it. So do not skip this part, just to make sure that there isn't any particles left in there that did not blend out, because we don't want those to get into our hair. This is one way to use the aloe vera and just to get the maximum amount of benefits that we can get from it, because we know that the aloe vera contains nutrients, minerals, and all of these help to make our hair healthier. And once our hair is healthy, then we will see growth if that is what we are looking for. So healthy hair will equal to growth. I am adding an egg to the ingredients. You don't have to if you can't manage the smell of the egg, but the egg contains protein, and this is also good for our hair. I will leave some information in the description box about using all these products, the benefit of aloe vera, the egg, the avocado, the ripe banana, so you can check out the description box. Here I'm applying it to my daughter's hair. Another way that we can use the aloe vera is as a leave-in spray. So the liquid that was blended can be used as is. Just put it in a spray bottle and use it, or it can be used with other ingredients like the hibiscus juice, or it can be used with the cloves or the moringa, whichever other natural ingredient you choose to add to it. You can use it and use it as a leave-in spray. The one that I'm currently using is on the channel, so I'll share the link to that video in the description box. Another way that we could use the aloe vera is by making our aloe vera oil, and this oil can be used in our hot oil treatment, or we can use it on our wash day for our pre-poo, or we can just apply it to our hair whenever time we choose. There are a lot of ways that we can use the aloe vera, or we can just use the aloe vera as is, applying it to our hair, just cutting part of the skin and using it. So this one is a bonus. To continue watching more useful contents like these, you can click on the end screen or just go into the description box and check out the videos that are there.